Hey, team of Fettuccini, it's a me, Scott. Bella Bella Cucina. Well, hi everybody. I wanted to give you guys a private message. This is private. Don't share this with anybody. So Team Fettuccini, I promised that I would let you guys know first before I did any more workshops. So I'm going to tell you first, I'm going to be announcing these workshops this week, so I'm telling you now what they are. The first workshop is me and a Mimo. Me and a Mimo, we're going to be in Rome. We're going to be in Rome on September 20, I think it's 21st through 24th. Right in that area right there, somewhere in the 21st through 24th range in Rome, Italy. Now, it's going to be very much like the same seminar that you saw before. We're going to do a little less shooting, so not as many shoots. We'll still shoot at dawn and at sunset, but we're not going to do quite as many shoots. We're going to do a little bit more classroom time, but we're going to be doing all of it in Rome, me and Mimo and maybe you. So that's coming up in this September. And we've got a great hotel, we've got a great location, there's fountains and waterways and all kinds of cool stuff, great black and white. I mean, Rome's an awesome place. Plus my favorite restaurant in the whole wide world is there, and of course, we'll be going there. Now, after that, next year, so another year past that in September, it's more like September 14th through 20-something, Rick Salmon and I are doing a seminar in Guilin, China. So you see these guys right here? Those fishermen, right? So this is one of Rick's photos. We're going to this exact spot with Chinese guides and these fishermen all in up. There's only a couple of these fishermen left. Hopefully they'll still be there, still be alive when we get there next year. But we're going to go to all the places where they filmed the movie Avatar. We're going to go to rice paddies. We've got a couple of Chinese guys. It's going to be amazing. That's coming up a year from now. So that's coming up next September in 2019. Now, if you want to go to either one of those, you need to let me know like right now. Like just say, hey Scott, I'm in. Because once we make them, like on the Chinese one, Rick has 51 people on a waiting list and we're only going to have 12 people total. So let me know now and I'll lock in your spot first. But I do want to tell you this, if you want to go to either workshop, great, let me know. If you don't want to go, don't feel like you have to send me a letter and say, oh, Scott, I can't go, I'm sorry. There are no apologies necessary. You don't even have to let me know if you're not going. Only email me if you're going so I can save you a seat. So you don't have to worry about an awkward email. Awkward. Anyway, hopefully I'll get to see some of you again. We had such a wonderful time in Venice. I hope we can share it again in either Rome or some crazy place in China. But that is all for the team of Fettuccini. I hope I see you again, eh? Bella Bella Cucina.